This home is brought to you by Roxana Shepley. If you would like to learn more about how your home could be listed by Roxana, visit her at www.roxanashepleyrealtor.com or call 478-256-3120. Wonderful home to retire or raise your family. One level full brick home features an open floor plan, 4 beds/2.5 baths, both baths with dbl.vanities, laundry room and mud bench, large master shower west/dual shower heads and slider bar, jetted tub, double vanity west/granite counters, kitchen west/island, white custom cabinets, built-in pantry, cooktop, wall oven, breakfast bar, tile backsplash, granite countertops. Foyer entry, greaatroom west/gas fireplace, formal dining, beautiful hardwood flooring in living areas, tile in baths and laundry. Bed number 4 could also be office west/French doors, lovely back patio west/large privacy fenced yard. 2-car garage on a cul-de-sac lot, won't last. Kitchen measurements include breakfast area,